Hey guys, this is Optimistic Trader here, and in this short video I will be sharing with you guys a very big change I'll be making to my channel. As you guys may already know, my goal is to join BluFX as a funded trader, and I'll be doing that January of next year. A lot of my recent videos have been about me trading a demo for the next 2 months while I improve my strategy and solidify my entries and exits before joining BluFX. So that demo, I no longer have that demo. I actually recently discovered that BluFX uses Eternity Global as their broker. So I decided to open a demo account with them instead. That way it can be more realistic. So this is Eternity Global's website. So one of the main differences I've noticed between this company or the demo that's offered with this company and the one I was trading in my video is that my old demo has like literally no spreads, and this one does have 2 to 3 pip spreads. So to me, that makes a really big difference in the profits that I'm making and in the profits that I shouldn't be making. That's why I decided to make the change. That way I can get a more realistic feel of the spread and how the trades are actually going to work out. So this is actually the demo that I have now. I've already installed the indicators that I use. I was only able to open it for $10,000, but as you can see up here, it's a demo. And these are the kind of spreads you can expect when you're trading with BluFX. I mostly trade GBP, USD, JPY, CHF. So you'll notice it'll average between 2 to 3 pips. In the other demo, it was like literally a tenth of a pip. So yeah, guys, that's just the only change I'll be making. I will be trading this demo brand new. It'll be more realistic, and I'll keep posting my results for you guys. Thanks.